you try this crust para at least hindi laging grahams, Oreo. Ano siya na siya diya? It's good, Gaga. Hello everyone! Maayong adlaw mga higala. I'm Mich, and for today, I will be sharing my salted caramel pecan cheesecake. Okay, so this is baked cheesecake. So for the ingredients, I have the crust here and the filling, tapos the caramel later. So for the crust, I have flecha butter, my egg, sugar, and flour. For the filling, I have Swiss Valley cream cheese, pecan nuts, sugar, all-purpose cream, and eggs. So, let's start. In your mixer, cream nyo muna si butter and sugar. Okay? Around mga 2 to 3 minutes. After the butter and the sugar, lagay nyo si egg, and then lastly, the flour. Okay? Okay, then put your flour. Yan. So once go light na siya, you can stop na. Then, press natin to sa baking pan. So this is not the ordinary crust. Ibi-bake muna natin to. Cookie dough yung crust niya. Okay? So, para mas masarap. So, you can actually chill this one first if medyo malambot. And then, pwede mo siya i-roll out. Tapos, i-cut mo kung gaano kalaki yung baking pan mo. Or, you can simply diretso sa cheesecake pan. Don't forget basta cheesecake pan, dapat removable bottom yan. Dapat na-remove. And let's put here. And press natin si crust. Yan. So you try this crust. Actually, this is sugar cookie dough. You try this one para at least hindi laging grahams or Oreo crumbs. Okay? If you have small offset spatula, yan, mas maganda para mas smooth yung dough. Then after that, tusok natin. Yan. And then, let it rest sa chiller for around 5 minutes. And then after that, bake nyo to for around 10 minutes. Okay? Huwag nyo i-totally bake na light brown siya. Around 10 minutes lang. Okay? So while binibake natin siya, we can do the filling. By the way, wala muna to ha. Later, pakita ko anong purpose niyan. Okay? So this is your crust. So, while binibake natin si cookie dough crust, let's proceed sa filling. So, for the filling, I have here Swiss Valley cream cheese. This is from Global Pacific. Magandang brand to. So, use Swiss Valley. Pag hindi Swiss Valley, ay, hindi masyadong masarap. Joke. So, 3 cups of your cream cheese, sugar, your all-purpose cream, konti lang, tapos pecan. Don't forget guys, when you bake na may nuts, don't forget i-toast nyo siya or i-bake nyo si nuts. Okay? Para mas masarap, tapos mas lumabas yung flavor niya. And the 4 eggs, nakalimutan ko. Okay? So, first, Don't forget for the cream cheese, kailangan 1 hour before nalabas na siya sa chiller. Kasi matagal siya mag-smooth kung masyadong malamig si cream cheese. Okay? So, cut into cubes, labas nyo na. Then after an hour, you do the cleaning method. Okay? Cream this one for around 5 minutes or until smooth and creamy. See? Cream cheese. See? After 5 minutes, very smooth and creamy na. Ang bilis. Basta room temp na si Swiss Valley cream cheese. So, let's put the eggs one at a time. Na half-bake na natin. This time, kailangan natin ng aluminum foil. Wrap natin yung side and bottom of the pan. Para later, we will bake this cheesecake, bain-marie or water bath. Para hindi pumasok yung water sa loob. Okay? So, that's why we need aluminum foil. Okay? Yan. Set aside muna natin si crust and then let's get the filling. Okay? So, this is done. Smooth na siya. Then, yung pecan nyo, half of it, lagay na natin. Fold natin. Then, let's put the filling on top of the crust. Yung natirang pecans, lagay natin on top. Then, lagyan natin ng water yung tray. Tama-tama lang ha. Huwag masyadong marami. And then, let's bake this one for around 1 hour and 30 minutes. So later, pakita ko sa inyo if paano nyo malaman if it's baked already. We will wiggle it. Kailangan yung side set na, yung center na lang yung nag-wiggle. Okay? Bake this one at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So, while binibake natin for 1 hour and 30 minutes si cheesecake, gawin na natin si caramel. Kasi kailangan pa natin palamigin. So, for the caramel, we have all-purpose cream and we have sugar. So, first, in a saucepan, let's melt first the sugar. Yan, medium heat. Until mag-golden brown. And then, once melted na, lagay natin si cream. Yan, then, set aside natin. Okay? Palamigin. Si caramel. Yan, so here's the caramel. Napa-cool down ko na. Tapos, naglagay ako konti sa piping bag. Set aside na natin yan. And then, here's the cheesecake. Malamig na siya. Tapos, remove na natin sa tray. Ideally, at least sana overnight. Okay? Para mas, na si cheesecake. Mas set na siya. Okay? So, I need this. Ito yung style ko para ma-remove. there you go, our salted caramel pecan baked cheesecake. Ang haba. For the recipe, guys, nasa description box namin, okay? And then for more free recipes, i-browse nyo lang lahat ng videos and then please comment down kung anong gusto nyong recipe na next na gagawin ko. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!